guys, good afternoon. It's now 1 like something. But anyway, pumunta kami dun sa, we will go to festival today with Superman.
You're not going to festival.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, okay, I have pala. Akala ko wala akong ano. So now we are going to we're going to ride a bus, which is few minutes. May bus na, Alexander, because look, they are waiting also for the bus. And we're going to the festival kasi we went to parking.
But what the movie now?
I think they will ride just they will ride taxi, these old people. But for us, anyway guys, update ko kayo mamaya. Oh my god, bless me. So we will ride a taxi, bus, and then we'll say.
Mommy, you don't know what happened.
What did you do?
I don't know.
Are you sure? What did you do? Tell me. Tell me. Don't lie to mommy.
I love you.
Kiss mommy then, if you love mommy. And say it in front of me.
Sorry, I can't say.
Oh, wait, you have a
tongue
dirt.
is hot.
So anyway, we need to bring wipes. Wait. We need to bring wipes. Hey, your nose is dirty and your mouth with toothpaste. Come on, you have to get ready. When I say to you, run. when we can see the bus, we need to look. It's a dirty. So, yan, meron ako. Yeah, it's the same. So, meron akong coffee dito. Nagdala ako kasi nga late na akong
Mommy, is it the naming them guys?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to call them guys. I want to call them Alexander.
Actually, it's so good naman talaga. Doon, eto kasi yung sa old house namin doon. Pero, Alexander, don't kid mommy, Alexander. Because if you say there's a bus, directly I go out of the car. So, ayan, may mga tao dito naglalakad lang kasi walang parking. We went to the parking lot, pero full na siya. Tapos 4 hours lang doon. So, at least here, I can go home anytime I want. So, we will buy food there, Alexander. We have water, but we will buy food there. And yeah, hindi ko na mag-waste ng battery for it. Oh no, oh my god! I forgot my, my power bank. Oh my god, I forgot my power bank, guys. Oh no, wala akong power bank. Oh, too bad. Bibili ako ng additional power bank kasi yeah, I forgot my power bank now.
Can you pay for the bus?
I can pay. It's a card. It's a power bank for my phone to be low bat. So I will not waste it na lang. Okay, bye guys. Yeah. Still you can eat it, I guess. Not sure. Look at the cars here. It's like vintage.
Mommy,
What? Let's go. Let's buy. Why you want Spider-Man? You can have Louis. Okay. Look at red.
Yeah,
And look at, they have 100. Look at that. Okay, stay there. Stay there, Alexander. Are you enjoying so far? Oh, there's more there, Alexander. I like that car there. You love it? Yeah, it looks cool. Let's go and check it. Let's go and check it. And also this one. Okay. You want picture with it?
Yeah.
Okay. But maybe front is better to have picture. Look at in the front. Yeah. Come here. Yes. So pretty. Look at Alexander the boat. You like it? Let's go. Okay.
After Swallowtail,
Let's go.
Miranda 2.
Okay, just today.
Lovely decorated Union Jack flags and the bunting.
Come on. What flavor you want?
Okay, check those are time.
Kasi bago to, Alexander didn't try it before. So it's good. I will not let him try something that is like not new. So just everything should be new.
Once again, huge thank you to all the boat owners for taking the time and effort to decorate their boats. Absolutely brilliant, lots of great imagination out there. And for all of you for taking part in the parade today, lovely to see all the boats in the river. We hope you're having a wonderful time enjoying everything there is to watch here today. The winners will be announced later on, I believe.
I have fun.
You have fun? You're not busy? That's good. No, you tried it before. No, new things. Just new.
Why this new?
Because it's old. You did it before. It's like boring. It's boring. No. No, just new things. We need to go somewhere new.
But that one.
Oh, we can eat this burrito. Let's see. Fish chips. Ah, here. We eat this one. Come here, we buy food. Ah, we eat this, ano? Come on. We eat this, look. Look. You want churros? Churros. This time, guys, kasi before, wala masyadong magagandang mga shopping. Like now, they have like many things for shopping. And then food. Lots of food. So definitely it's more better this time than before.
That dog is so cute.
Yeah, it is. Oh, they have barbecue. Let's say, kasi nga lang, yung mga gusto kong food, super, ng queue, haba ng queue. So let's see here. Ayoko kasing mag-queue masyado. Kasi we have food na manadala. Okay, let's go. Look at that. It's so nice that I didn't film so much. It's there, I think. Nandyan pa siya. It's here na. At least he's not afraid now. Okay, do it more. Alexander, do you want to try it? You want? Maybe you can. But or you need more time. More. Ah, okay. It's not for you to go inside. Alexander, it's not for you to go inside. It's for drink. Let's go. Ang haba nito guys. Actually, it's really long. Kaya hopefully hindi mapagod to sa Alexander.
Let's go to the jumping now,
Okay,
yeah?
let's go there. Come on, let's go. Okay, so let's go there now. You watch here first. Look at. Let's go inside first. You will see. We have so many. Over there they have for jumping also. Parang pagod na yata. Come here. Look at all. So exciting there. Look, they have for jumping. I told you. As in, super haba nito guys. Kaya, pagod na to si Alexander. Here. Super haba. Yeah. I told you. It's so nice. Yeah. Thank you. Come on. Jump. So he can jump higher. Jump high. Jump high. Okay, you have to jump. Alexander, jump more. Jump high. Jump, just jump. Just jump high. That's it. Just jump more. No. Like that now. Okay, jump more. Okay, like that. Thank you so much. Come on, Sander. It's amazing, yeah? No, yes, that is yes. Don't be shy.
Left hand there. So this hand here. Say cheese.
So maybe 1 minute now. Yeah. Yeah. Look at the dog. Go back.
Look at this. This is funny actually. What happened here, Alexander? Can you tell me? Huh? Alexander, what happened here to the monster truck? What happened? They just... Yo...